In this video, we want to look at how we can manage the pages that make up our website. Let's go to our website real quick. One of the things that we need to note on the home page, we have three areas down here: who we are, what we do, our mission. Each one of these are pages that are customized within the back end of our website, our dashboard, to display here. We also have what is known as a slider feature right here. This also comes from pages. We have our news feed. We have a page called our history. There's also another page here called sponsors. We can edit these pages, we can create new pages, and we modify them as we add them to display here if it's something we want to display on the slider image area. Also, that's where a lot of your information up here comes from. If you look under information, you'll see that we have various pages: Fair Board, directions, our history, on-site venues, vendor info, and that might change, might look different as you review this video, but you kind of get the idea. As we create pages, we add them to the navigation, and that's where they all come from. So, okay, so here we are logged into the back end, our dashboard of our website, and we want to work on pages. So we'll go over here to our tool menu. We'll click on pages. Now what we see is all the pages that our website is comprised of so far. If we scroll down, some of that information we looked at, our history, our mission, so on and so forth, is here. What I wanted to look at first was we had the page on the slider called Our History. So we'll just click Our History, and that'll bring up that page. If you haven't looked at the video yet on how to add new posts to your website, I recommend stopping this video and going and review that first. Most of the information that's there is very repetitive in how you create a page. In this case, we're just going to edit a page. If we were to create a new page, we'd go up here to add new, and it'd look very similar to the add post portion. The only difference being with pages, we don't have a category section. But we do have the edit area here where we put in our information, whatever we want to display on the page for text, add media, and what we really want to look at on our page view is, in particular, our history shows up in the slider. The way we make that happen is we come down here into this custom field section, and we have to make sure that we have a field called thumbnail. So if it's a new page that we're creating, this thumbnail part's not going to exist. What you would do is come down here to add new custom field. We have this drop down, and you'd scroll down here until you saw thumbnail. You'd click that and then add, and then it would pop up right here. And that's where it gets that little picture. Let's go back and look at our page. Our history. So this picture right here that's in the background, that's what right here is. And in this case, it's our website. It's coming from our content from a gallery called Site Pictures, Our History. That's where it's drawing that information from. So we'll be able to select the location here. This is just the web address where that picture takes place. It can come from the media library, or it can come from the NextGen gallery. There'll be another video you should watch about the gallery. But if we go here and we click on gallery, that'll bring up the gallery page for us to see what kind of pictures we have out there. You see we have 44 images already loaded, 14 galleries, and 2 albums. And we're looking for the galleries, so let's just click on galleries. And Site Pictures was that path that we were looking for. So we'll go back here and click on that, and that'll open up that gallery and show us the pictures that are in it. So if you look down here, it lists all those pictures that we're using, and here's the one called Our History. Now what we want to do is go ahead and click on Our History to bring up that picture. And right here, you'll be able to see the address of where that's at. I just go in and I'll copy that, and then we'll click the back button. We can go back to pages, go back to Our History, And if we come back down here where it says thumbnail, right here, I would just paste in that that image that I wanted to use, and then update. But just remember, this is only if you wanted to create a new page that you wanted to add it up on that slider, this area right here. And that's how that works if you want to either edit a page or add a new page.